Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and enable modes and routines in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here, and there is option on the app here, modes and routines. So click on it, and as you see, we have already done a few routine. We did not set. The only set routine is a sleep, as you see, and you can prefer this routine for yourself. You can turn on or turn off. Of course, you can set up to turn on automatically, and there is much more routines like theater, driving, exercise, relax, works, and you can of course add mode by yourself. And there is of course the routine which you can make here. You can add now the new routine. So if something will incoming call or some message, then something's going on with your phone. Yep. So it's a little bit complicated. It's something like programming, but you can save time to making routines for your phone. And that's it, all about the modes and routines. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!